this is Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and the voice behind your popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Well, I'm here with a great, and it's all about the multi-cooker cooking guide, which is out this week, and it actually shows you the cooking times for so many different kitchen gadgets, or it's perfect for you if you have an all-in-one machine. It covers things like air frying, steam air fry, pressure cooking, air frying. So it makes it perfect if you have something like an Instant Pot, pressure cooker, Ninja Speedy, Ninja Foodi, or if you've just got a standard air fryer, it's good for them all. So to celebrate it, I want to show you two different ways to do broccoli using it. We have quite a lot of different options for you for broccoli in here because it's one of those foods that pretty much everybody has in their trolley each week. So in this guide we show you how to cook frozen broccoli, fresh, and of course broccolini, or you might call it tender stem broccoli. And what I want to show you today is just how simple it is to cook broccoli using this guide. Firstly in the pressure cooker, so I'm using my Instant Pot for this, and then secondly I'm going to show you how to do it on steam using the Ninja Foodi 15-in-1, so you can see that you've got different options with this cooking guide. And this guide is so cheap, it is less than a £5. So it's also a great Christmas present, so grab yourself a copy, grab your friends and family a copy at the same time, and then you've got a great Christmas present ready that you don't have to worry about, and you think, I've got them a great stocking filler this year. So we're going to start, of course, with the pressure cooker broccoli. So cooking pot at the ready. This is our Instant Pot. It's a 6-quart one, but you can do it in any size. Then pop in a cup of water, because you need that cup of water for it to go to pressure. And then the broccoli I'm using is a bit past it, so you can also do it if your broccoli, you're thinking, I should have used that by now and I've not got round to it. You want to grab your favourite chopping board, and then you can chop up some broccoli and then add it to the cooking pot. Though of course you'll need your steamer basket first. And this is my new Joseph & Joseph steamer basket. It's perfect because it expands and it's great for just throwing in some broccoli. So add your florets, and then I've done them of different sizes so you can just see what they're like when they've been pressure cooked. So now I've got all my broccoli in. You need to grab your lid, set the valve to sealing. So for your broccoli, pressure cook, you're looking for a cooking time of 2 minutes, and then there's no start on this. If yours has got a start, press start now. Otherwise you want to wait until you hear the beep so that you know it's properly started. It's on now, so it's started pressure cooking or warming up first, and then we'll be back on the beep. When you first got a multi-cooker, it's so hard understanding the times and temps and getting the food spot on and cooked perfectly. That's why we've made for you the multi-cooker cooking guide. It features all the main functions of the multi-cooker, from dehydrate to grill to steam roast to steam air fry, pressure cooking, and of course simple everyday air frying. It's perfect for lots of different types of multi-cookers, from Instant Pot users to Ninja Foodi users, Ninja Speedy, air fryer. Even if you've got a flex straw, it's just perfect for so many of them. You'll find the link below in the description, and you can pre-order it now. And now let's get back to the video. And we've beeped. Shall we release the pressure and I'll show you the broccoli? So, release pressure. And then lift up your lid and we can check on this yummy broccoli. Oh wow, look at that. Let's just wait a minute for the steam to disappear. And the steam has gone. Check out that broccoli, doesn't it look fabulous? Oh, and that's what I'm talking about. Look at that for cooked broccoli. So then that's just how easy it is to pressure cook broccoli using the time and temps in your handy guide. So, shall we show you the steamed version using the Ninja Foodi 15-in-1 to show you that you can use this across different kitchen gadgets and you don't have to be with one particular brand. So, change of gadget, we now have out the 15-in-1 because we're going to do the steam version now. And we're back to this baby again. So, For this, we're going to start by adding in the liquid at the beginning because it's so much easier than once you've got your broccoli in your cooking pot. As you know, we're referring to this again. We are going to the steam section now, which also has broccoli in it. So I'm just going to have a look. And then for steaming, you just need 1 cup of liquid in the cooking pot. So that's easy enough, isn't it? So 1 cup of liquid, 15 minutes, and then we should be good to go again. So steamer basket in again. You can use these across different gadgets, which is brilliant. And then I've chopped up some broccoli, so we can just add in some more broccoli. And then you can decide if you're more steamed or pressure cooked. And this is also a good thing because I know many people with the Ninja Speedy, and the thing about the Ninja Speedy is the only thing that's different from that, really, to say the Ninja Foodi 11-in-1 is that it pressure cooks to the 11-in-1, whilst the Ninja Speedy is a steamer, so you can see the difference then. And if you've not made a decision over which gadget you want, you can see the difference. So we've got the broccoli in, we've added the liquid, we can put the lid down and we can get cooking this broccoli. So to steam your broccoli, turn it on and slide it all the way across to the air fryer hob section, and you're looking for steam. Now we're on steam, there's no temperature to set for steam, and you're looking for 15 minutes and then press start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we've beeped. So shall we check on this broccoli and see what steamed broccoli is like using our time and temp chart. And wow, look at that broccoli! And there's not as much steam on the broccoli because it's about how much liquid's in the bottom. So let me show you. It's running clear from the liquid at the bottom. And there's the broccoli. Oh, doesn't it look fabulous? Fork tender broccoli again. Another piece, that's a smaller one. So you can just see how quickly and easy it cooks the broccoli. So now you can just grab it out, portion it up. This is a plate here, and that has got the pressure cooker broccoli. So shall we see how this looks in comparison? It's pretty much the same. I always find they just look the same. It's just which way you prefer to do it. So if you've got a Ninja Speedy and you feel like you're missing out because you haven't got a pressure cooker set in, then seriously don't worry about it, because look, can you really tell the difference there? Really? I must admit I tend to pressure cook because it's quicker, but steaming is just as nice, and it's just a really quick way to get broccoli together on your plate. And don't forget to grab yourself a copy of our multi-cooker cooking guide, which is out this week. And it's brilliant because it teaches you the time and temps to so many different foods, and it takes all the guesswork, and it'll stop you ending up overcooking or undercooking your food using these kitchen gadgets. It's just amazing. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook, and on Pinterest, TikTok, we're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one, and you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week, and we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.